Hello and welcome back. Today is a big day. I am going to clean the garage. All the stuff that accumulates all winter long that we are just too lazy to put away. I'm going to get at it today. Purge, organize, minimize, eliminate, get rid of so much stuff. Today I'm just going to concentrate on this half of the garage, what is behind me. I will leave the other half for another day. Don't get overwhelmed. You don't have to do it all in one day. I'm only going to do half of it. To make things easier, I've got the car open. That's where I'm just going to immediately put stuff to donate. In the background there, we've got the truck. That is stuff that is going to go to the dump. If we look over here behind all of this clutter is the door to the outside, which goes to the shed. Make a path there. Everything that goes into the shed will go back there. And this is what the before looks like. Now this half I'm not going to do much with because basically it's mostly all of my son's stuff. He loves cars, he loves to fix cars, he loves everything about cars, and he's just going to have to deal with the tires, all of his tools, and he can get to that this weekend. Hopefully I won't have to nag him. Okay, let's get started. As usual, I've got my headphones in. I'm going to listen to something. It makes the time go so much faster, so much nicer. So there you go, this side of the garage is done. Basically everything was seasonal that we just shoved in there. It needs to go in the shed. We have the shed. The shed is fairly organized, so all that stuff could easily go in the shed. It doesn't need to be in our day-to-day area. This is the day-to-day area where the car goes in. We need to open the car doors, and with all that crap on the side there, we couldn't do it. Now I'll get out of the car, it'll feel great. This other side of the garage that I'm ignoring, get my son to do that on the weekend. Maybe we'll do it together because that will take less nagging if I say let's both of us go out to the garage and get this done. He'll feel better, he'll know where his tools are. Let's have a look at everything we're getting rid of. So there's a load that needs to go to the donations, charities. That's what we always call Salvation Army here, but that is going there. Got a few things over there that are going to the dump, but most of the stuff is here. Needs to go into the shed. It's June. We don't need the shovels. The rakes can go in the shed. We've got tennis equipment that we used to play tennis all the time during lockdown. Now less time, it can go in the shed. Some big winter boots, they can go in the shed. These lifts for your car, they can go in the shed. This is just stuff that we don't need to use all the time. It doesn't need to be in our day-to-day area. Get rid of it, put it in the shed, and then it'll feel so much more peaceful every time I drive into the garage. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. And again, this didn't take that much time. We build these things up that it's going to take hours and hours and hours, and it doesn't. Just get to it, do what you can, be kind to yourself. We're all on a journey. We're all at a different speed. We all have different life circumstances. Just be aware of yours and be kind to yourself. Thank you so much for watching.